We recently came across a Reddit article about a young man backpacking through Europe who decided to stop in the red light district in Amsterdam. He was strolling when he noticed a girl who piqued his interest within a specific shop, so he decided to go in. After second consideration, he decided he wanted to leave, to which she blocked the door. She threatened to get her boss to inflict violence on the young man if he didn't pay for wasting her time. After that, The Red Light District, or De Wallen as it's known locally, is one of Amsterdam's oldest and most iconic neighborhoods. For centuries, it has been a place of both fascination and controversy, drawing visitors from all over the world. But beyond the red-lit windows and adult entertainment, there's a rich history and culture waiting to be explored. In this video, we'll guide you through the 5 crucial things to know before stepping into this unique part of Amsterdam. The main questions that we're going to answer in this video. Number 1. What are the cultural and legal expectations when visiting Amsterdam's Red Light District? 2. How can you ensure your safety and respect local customs in the Red Light District? And 3. What unique experiences can you find off the beaten path in the Red Light District? Once you complete this video, you'll be confident in having all the info you need before going to De Wallen. Welcome to BestNet Travel, your one-stop for travel tips and destination guides. Here at BestNet, we promote immersion over tourism, getting outside of your comfort zone and meeting people, and not being afraid to travel solo. There's a lot to get into, so without further ado, here we go. Number 1. Respect the local culture and rules. First and foremost, it's important to respect the local culture and rules when visiting the Red Light District. While it might seem like a tourist hotspot, this area is still home to residents and workers who expect visitors to behave respectfully. Photography is strictly forbidden in certain areas, particularly around the windows where workers are present. This is not just a request, but a firm rule enforced by both locals and authorities. Additionally, while it might be tempting to explore every corner, remember that the district isn't free for all. There are areas that are off limits or only accessible with guided tours. Stick to well-lit, busy streets and avoid wandering into side alleys alone, especially at night. Understanding and respecting the local culture goes a long way in making sure your visit is both enjoyable and safe. Amsterdam is known for its liberal attitudes, but this comes with an expectation that visitors will act responsibly. So before you whip out your camera or wander into an unfamiliar area, take a moment to think about the impact of your actions. Also, taking a guided tour is a great way to immerse yourself in the history and culture of the Red Light District while ensuring you're following the rules. Many tours are led by locals who can offer insights you won't find in your guidebook. Number 2. Be aware of scams and pickpockets. Next on our list is a word of caution. Like any major tourist destination, the Red Light District can attract its fair share of scams and pickpockets. The vibrant atmosphere and crowded streets make it easy for pickpocketers to blend in and strike when you least expect it. Keep your belongings close and be wary of anyone who seems overly friendly or insistent. Another common scam involves being overcharged in bars and cafes. Always check the prices before ordering, and be cautious of accepting drinks from strangers. While most businesses are reputable, it's always better to be safe than sorry. One particular scam to watch out for involves street dealers offering drugs or any other illegal items. Not only is this illegal, but it's also unsafe. If you're approached by anyone offering such items, politely decline and walk away. The Amsterdam police take these issues seriously, and getting caught up in one of these situations can ruin your trip. Staying vigilant and being aware of your surroundings will help you avoid potential problems. The Red Light District is generally safe, but like any crowded area, it's important to keep your wits about you. Number 3. Explore beyond the red lights. The Red Light District isn't just about the red lights, it's also a neighborhood rich in culture and history. While the adult entertainment may be what draws many tourists, there's so much more to explore if you're willing to step off the beaten path. One of the best ways to experience the district is to visit during the day when you can appreciate its beautiful architecture and vibrant street art. The district is home to some of Amsterdam's oldest buildings, including the Oude Kerk, a stunning medieval church that offers a quiet respite from the bustling streets. For art lovers, The area also hosts several galleries featuring contemporary and street art. These hidden gems provide a unique glimpse into the local creative scene and offer an alternative perspective on the district. If you're a foodie, you'll find an array of cafes and restaurants serving everything from traditional Dutch fare to international cuisine. Don't be afraid to strike up a conversation with locals or a few travelers. Amsterdam is known for its friendly, open atmosphere, and you might just make a new friend or discover a new favorite spot. Remember, here at BestNet Travel, we promote immersion over tourism. Instead of sticking to the main tourist activities, take the time to explore the cultural and culinary offerings of the Red Light District. You'll gain a deeper understanding of the area and have a much richer travel experience. Number 4. Stay safe and be mindful of your surroundings. Safety is always a priority, and when visiting the Red Light District, it's important to stay mindful of your surroundings. Like we said, the area is generally safe, especially with its strong police presence, though it's still wise to take precautions. If you're traveling solo, let someone know your plans or stay connected to a friend via your phone. It's also advisable to have a plan for getting back to your accommodations, whether it's by taxi, public transport, or walking in a group. Avoid any illegal activity or soliciting with people who are engaging in illegal activity. Amsterdam's liberal attitudes does not mean that there are no rules. Familiarize yourself with local laws and customs to ensure a smooth and trouble-free visit. Number 5. Embrace the experience respectfully. Finally, the Red Light District is more than just a tourist attraction, it's a community. Embracing the experience respectfully means understanding that this neighborhood is home to many people who live and work here. Treating its residents with respect is not just good etiquette, but it's also going to enhance your experience. If you're curious about the district's history or the lives of the people who work here, consider visiting one of the area's museums or joining a group tour. These options provide valuable insights and help dispel some of the myths and misconceptions surrounding the district. And here at BestNet, we believe in getting outside of your comfort zone and meeting new people. However, it's important to do so with an open mind and a respectful attitude. Whether you're visiting the Red Light District out of curiosity or genuine interest, approaching the experience with respect will leave you with a deeper understanding and appreciation of its unique part of Amsterdam. If you guys have made it this far into the video, we sincerely thank you all. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and comment down below what it is that you guys want to see next. And as usual, we have a bonus. You remember the story that we discussed at the beginning of this video? Well, we're going to read you guys the rest of what happened to this young man. He said, end quote, "I completely lost my cool, even struggling to form a sentence as I was so scared. She then said, every minute of my time you waste, the worse it's going to be for you. I made up an excuse that I only had 20 euros and I have to go to the ATM, to which she shouted while reaching for a button, you pay 100 euros now or I get the police down here and say you attacked me. Holding my tears back, I reached into my wallet and handed her 100 euros. She then went back to offering me services, and in disbelief, I declined and proceeded to the exit. So in short, this young man ended up getting scammed for 100 euros when traveling through the Red Light District. And it's a shame, but that's why it's really important for you to be informed before you step into any red light district in any country. And after this video, we believe that all of you guys will be fully informed to the point where you can enter into the Red Light District, or De Wallen as they call it, with supreme confidence. And with that being said, thank you guys all for watching our video this far, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Enjoy your trip to Amsterdam, and happy travels.